Good morning, students. In the last class, we have to discuss what is intensive property, extensive property, what is process, path cycle, what is point function and path function, all discussed. Now we have to discuss that important concept, that is what is zeroth law of thermodynamics. Okay. Consider three bodies, body A, body B, body C. From sketch it is clear that here body A is connected to what? Body B. B is connected to what? Body C. And C will be again connected to what? Body A. Okay. How to define zeroth law of thermodynamics means, when a body A, this body A is in thermal equilibrium with body B, means see the direction. Body A is in connected to body B, means when body A is in thermal equilibrium with body A is in thermal equilibrium with body B, and also separately body A is in thermal equilibrium with body C, means A with B and A with C. Automatically from this conclusion we say that body B and C will be in thermal equilibrium with each other. That's means when a body A is in thermal equilibrium with body B and also separately with body A in thermal equilibrium body C, then we say that body B and C will be in thermal equilibrium with each other. That means when A equal to B, at that time A equal to C, at that time we have to say B equal to C. Okay. This can be used for, this law provides temperature measurements. Okay. How it will happen, listen here. Consider body is having, assume that temperature is 70 degrees Celsius. Body is B is having 50 degrees Celsius. Okay. Initial body A is how much temperature? 70. Body B is 50 degrees Celsius. Okay. All of you know that heat transfer from higher body to lower body. What is the higher body temperature? A is 70. B is 50 degrees Celsius lower. Okay. Now, heat transfer from A to B, because higher temperature to lower temperature, means A loses the energy to what? B, means B gains the energy. 70 degrees Celsius, okay, to losses, not 70, from 72 starts up to how much? Equilibrium means it will losses only 10 degrees Celsius, means 70 minus 10 means how much? 60 degrees Celsius, means 10 degrees Celsius it gains the body B. Finally, body B should take 10 degrees Celsius, means 50 plus 10 equal to 60. 70 minus A body is the temperature how much? Now 70 minus 10 means 60. Body B is 50 plus 10 means 60 degrees Celsius, means both body A and B finally is 60 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius. That means A equal to 60, B equal to 60. Similarly, when body is 60 degrees Celsius, body B, C is 60 degrees Celsius, at the time, initially what? A equal to B, 60 degrees Celsius. Automatically that what? A equal to C means, assume C also having 60 degrees Celsius, means A equal to C, that is 60 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius. From this conclusion we say that B equal to C. We say that body B is having 60 degrees Celsius and body C is having 60 degrees Celsius. Okay. This we call that is zeroth law of thermodynamics. Okay. This is in general we call that is temperature measurement. Okay. Next is what? That is phase, homogeneous and heterogeneous system. Phase means what? In general, that is quantity of matter that should be homogeneous throughout in chemical and composition and physical structure. Okay. Listen here. What happens in the phase? Phase, liquid, gaseous, solid. Okay. Homogeneous, heterogeneous system. What is homogeneous and heterogeneous system means? Homogeneous system means here that system consisting of single phase. Example, air and water vapor. Okay. How single phase means? Listen here. Take a air combination and water, air plus water. Air should be what? Which phase? You know that. Solid, liquid, gases. Air should be what? Gaseous phase. Water vapor also what? Gaseous phase. Means gas plus gas. Therefore we call that a single phase. Gas and gas mean that is single phase. We call that is homogeneous system. Means here we call that system consisting of single phase. That is both gaseous system. That is air and water vapor. Okay. Homogeneous system. Next what? Heterogeneous system. it is exactly reversible to homogeneous. Means it is exactly opposite to homogeneous system. Heterogeneous system means what? System consisting of more than one phase. Means hetero means different. Homo means what? Homogeneous system means same. Hetero means different. Means more than one phase. Different means that is more than one phase. A system consists of more than one phase, we call that is heterogeneous system. Example, water and steam, ice and water. How it happen? Listen here. Water is having which phase? Liquid phase. Steam is having which phase? Gas. Means it is a combination of both liquid and gaseous phase. Therefore, we call that is heterogeneous system. Similarly, ice and water. Ice is which phase? It consists of solid. Ice means solid. Water means liquid. Again, it is combination of solid and liquid. Therefore, we call that is this is heterogeneous system. Okay. This in general homogeneous and heterogeneous system. Next, that is important, that is quasi-static process. CAS for 8 to 10 marks. Define quasi-static process. Explain with a neat diagram. Quasi-static process. Here sketch and PV diagram is important. Okay, just remember that. How to draw the sketch? First draw the one outside body. Okay. After that outside body, you have to on that container, like body means like rectangle, outside body. Inside you have to make that piston. That center you have to give that piston. Okay. This is piston. On that piston you have to put W. W means weight you have to put. Okay. Close that. Next you have to make that in that inside of that piston you have to fill that gas. It is having P1, T1 temperature. We call that is initial state. Okay. With you have to make that dotted that boundary. After that wait, we dotted that final state, and this can be completed with the help of stop. Okay. This is PV diagram. P is along y-axis, V is along x-axis. V means volume, P means pressure. P1, okay, initial pressure, P2 final pressure, V1 initial volume, V2 final volume. Okay, what is quasi-static process? Listen here. Quasi means, remember that is okay. This is an ideal process. Okay, that can be taken slowly. That all the intermediate states deviate from equilibrium state by an infinitesimal amount. Okay, listen here. That means whatever the process takes place slowly, and it will come to original state. Again, that it will come to reversible process. We call that is quasi-static. Okay, the best example is, I will explain the sketch afterwards. Before that, you have to understand what is quasi-static means. Consider your mobile phone, a fully charged smartphone, rise in atmospheric temperature. Consider an example of fully charged smartphone. What happened here? Quasi-static means small you have to listen here. Best example is fully charged smartphone. Listen here. Okay, whenever you have to charge the battery. Okay, what happens once the battery charge? It will not drain off immediately. Means your charge is not reduced immediately. It is not from 100 to 0%. It will not come immediately. It will come what? 100, 99, 98, 97 like that. Afterwards, after after that your battery performance may be 0 to Celsius. Okay, it takes place. The battery charge does not drain off immediately. It takes place what? Very slowly. Means 100%, 97%, 93, like it will reduces. Means slowly battery capacity will be reduces. Okay, that means it takes place very slowly so that you can use the smartphone for long as possible. When the battery is dead, it can be charged once again, so that smartphone can be used as reversible process. What that means whenever you have to charge the battery 100%, it will not come 100% to 0% immediately. Okay, it will reduces 100% to 0%. How means 100, 95, 90, like 85, 83, like that. Okay, once it will come to 0 degree Celsius, it can be again used. How means again you have to charge that. Therefore, process should be reversible. We call that is the battery should be your quasi-static process. That is fully charged smartphone should be your quasi-static process example. Same rise in atmospheric temperature means temperature. Okay, atmospheric temperature increase. fully charged smartphone, that means battery should be does not drain off immediately, means temperature, that percentage should be drops down. Okay, this now we have to move to that important concept, that quasi-static process explanation. Listen here. This can be asked for 8 to 10 marks. With this need sketch, explain the quasi-static process. Okay. Consider quasi-static apparatus. This is your quasi-static apparatus, which is having body weight W. Okay. Now this is filled with gas. Assume this is gas of the system. Okay. Of that gas, we have to place the piston, and on that piston we have to place the W, means weight. Okay. Weight means you have to split that. Consider 50 gram of weight. In that 50 gram of weight, you have to take small bits, because it is a infinite small piece. Means how you have to split 50 gram in 5 times, means 10 gram. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 means 5 times. Means small parts you have to remove. Make that. It is a combination of 50 gram, means not fully 50 gram, 10 gram, 10 gram plus 10 gram plus 10 gram, 10 gram. Total 50 gram. Okay. And this is PV diagram. Okay. Here, listen here. First, how to write construction. Let P1, V1 and T1 be the initial state of pressure and volume and temperature respectively. Means what means initial state? P2, V2, T2. It will not written. You have to remember that. Final state means P2, V2, T2. That is final state of the system. Okay. Now, what I can do? Okay. From this weight, total 50 gram is 10 gram individual. Small means 10 gram plus 10 gram plus 10 gram plus 10 gram plus 10 gram. Out of that 50 gram, I am to remove 10 gram weight. I am to remove. From this 10 gram, I am to remove, means what happen? The gas should be expands. Once gas expands, means piston move. Okay. Means piston move. Okay. Once piston move, okay, what happen? What about volume and pressure? Pressure is decreases. P1 to 1.2 small piece. Okay. Volume also changes. Means what happen here? Pressure decreases, volume increases. What? We have to remove only 10 gram. Again you have to remove 10 gram. What happen? Again piston move, top position. Again it will move. Again means pressure drops. Again pressure drops, volume increases. Okay, means volume increases. Again you have to remove 10 gram. Initially how much you remove? 10 gram. Next 10 gram means 20 gram over. Next you have to remove 10 gram, 30 gram. Again same process happen. Okay, up to how much? Up to 50 gram. Again you have to remove 10 gram means 30 gram. Again you have to remove 10 gram means 40 gram. Finally you have to remove 50 gram. Means up to final state. This final step means W is touches to final state, means piston expands. At that final state we call that is number 2. Means from this PV diagram what you conclude that the point number 1 is initial state, point number 2 is final state. Means while gas move upward due to removing of the weight one by one, for the pressure should be reduces from 1 to 2 by PV diagram, 1 to 2 CR. Okay. Volume increase from V1 to V2. Okay. This is in general. Means from this concept what call that, this is how you have to set reversible. Means again now you have to remove the weight. Now you have to add the weight. What happen? I want to add the weight. Means adding weight means start from point 2. You have to start from final state. At that time I want to add only 10 gram now. What happen here? By adding 10 gram means volume decreases, pressure increases. Okay. This is again this point will come here. Again you have to add 10 gram up to how much? Initial 10 gram is 50 gram, means it will come from 2 to 1, means we call that is reversible process. Therefore quasi-static process we call that is reversible process. It means you have to consider small piece of the weights of your body. Okay, this is called that is quasi-static process. Just remember best example, already I told that fully charged smartphone, means your smartphone charge is not immediately drained off. It will take, percentage should be small decreases, 100, 95, 93 like that. Again when you have to charge, again it will increases 0, 1, 2, 3 like 20, 40 like that, 100% fully charged. This is in general quasi-static process, means temperature changes, that is thermodynamically it will changes. Okay. Okay, thank you.